Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's my birthday and I wanted to film with you guys a get ready with me. I still wanted to do a full face of makeup and glam out. So in this video I had a get ready with me. I took you guys along with my hair and makeup routine. And after the get ready with me, I'm going to take you guys along to collect some free birthday goodies. And I'm also going to share with you guys other ideas and places that you can also get free stuff for your birthday. So if you're only here for the list of free goodie ideas, just check down in the description box for the timestamps. And without further ado, let's just get started with the get ready with me. First thing, I'm gonna put my hair up, get it out of the way with this headband. So I already moisturized my face and drew on my eyebrows because I have no eyebrows, so it takes me forever to draw them on. I'm still probably gonna have to touch them up later, so let's just get started. And I have all my makeup right here in this container. I could probably store my makeup better, but that's another time. I want to start off with applying a primer. And the primer I'm going to be using is One Heck of a Blot by Soap & Glory. Yeah, my eyebrows need some touching up. They're uneven, but we'll work on that later. So primer first. So after my primer, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. And I'm going to dab it on with this Eco Tools sponge. Okay, and at this point, I'm going to try to fix my eyebrows. I don't know if I can do it, but I'll definitely try. I'm just going to take some foundation and try to clean up my eyebrows. So let's see if I can do this. Like, they definitely look more uneven over here on this camera. When I look straight up in the mirror, let's just see, let's do our best. I'm sorry, no, main camera can't see anything, but I'm just trying to clean up the shape of my brows. Okay, I can't tell if I made it better or not. This is how it looks. So the eyebrows are probably just going to be a work in progress. We'll just see how I feel about them in the end. Maybe I'm going to touch them up again. I really have a hard time with my eyebrows. Now that my base foundation is done, I'm just going to add my liquid highlighter. I'm using one from Revolution, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to take this highlighter on my fingers and then tap it onto wherever I want it to be. And then again, take my sponge and just pat it out. So now that all of my liquid products are on my face, it's time to set it. So today I'm going to be using my brand new Bare Minerals and my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores that I just got. If you want to see the haul, you can watch my Ulta Beauty haul. This is where I got these two products. Let's try the Bare Minerals first. I'm just going to tap my brush into these little holes right here. And just buff this into my face. So now that my foundation is set, it's time for the fun stuff. I'm going to be doing my bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So let's see. So let's start out with my bronzer. I'm going to be using a Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I have a little sample size right here. And I've been using this for forever. It hasn't ran out yet. I can only imagine how long the full size will last. So I'm just going to use this e.l.f. brush. I don't know what brush it is. To do my contour, bronzer, whatever you call it. And I'm just going to take this around the edges of my face, as well as down here, do a little contour, and then some on this side, and then at the bottom of your chin. I'm really rough with my makeup. I kind of just slap it all on my face and pray for the best. Moving on to my blush, I'm just going to be using this another sample. I use a lot of my samples. This is from Tarte. So this is a Tarte blush that I got for free from Sephora for another birthday gift. I'm just gonna apply it with the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. I go very light-handed with the blush. And my favorite part is highlighter. So I'm using this highlighter from Sleek Makeup. It is the Cleopatra's Kiss highlighter, and this one's really shiny highlighter. I love it. And I'm going to be taking this color down here in the bottom corner. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to go for like a brownish, bronzy look. So I'm going to use my Essence Nude palette. So I'm going to be applying the lighter shade down here all over my eyelids first as a base. And then I'm going to take this Revlon color. I don't know what this is actually. It is the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in the color Topaz Twinkle. And I'm going to apply this. Where am I going to apply it? We'll just start with the outer corners of the eyes first. I'm just going to blend it in. Now that I have this on, I feel like I want to go for a bronzy look, so let me see what I have. I never really know what I'm doing when I'm putting on makeup, so I can't find my bronze, so let's just see. So I really don't know what I'm doing with my eyes. I'm just gonna keep adding eyeshadow on and hope it turns out good. Okay, so I don't know what I did with my eyes, but I'm just gonna leave it before I mess it up any further. This is what it's kind of looking like right now. I just have brown eyeshadow on. So we'll leave it at that. We'll just stick on some lashes and that will fix everything. Okay, does that mean we're almost done? Is it just eyelash time? I think it's just lash and liner time. Alright, so I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. This used to be my favorite mascara. I've gone through so many bottles of this, but recently it's been smudging on me. Before it would never smudge on me, so maybe I think it's time for me to look for a new favorite mascara, but this was my favorite for the longest time. It would never smudge and would make my eyelashes so long. But we'll see how it lasts today, and usually it smudges. But just look how long they make my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm going to be using Little Black Dress from Kiss Lashes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my lash glue on the lashes first. And I'm just going to set them down to dry for a little bit while I put on my eyeliner. I can't find my normal eyeliner, so I'm just going to use my Kiss Lash Glue Liner. But if you saw in my review, this lash glue liner doesn't hold the lash on all day, so that's why I'm putting on the glue first, and then I'm going to put this on. I'm just going to use this pretty much as my eyeliner because this even though it doesn't work very well at keeping your eyelashes on, it's still a really good liner. So I'm just going to quickly line my eye. I usually like to make a really thin line, as thin as possible, with the slightest of wing. I find that wing eyeliner doesn't look good on me, so don't really do that. And I like to apply my eyelashes with tweezers. Okay, one eye down. Okay, on to the next. I'm gonna do the same thing. Put on my lash glue first. Put on the glue to the lashes first. Set it down to dry while I put on my eyeliner. This eye's a little harder for me. Okay, finish off with some lip balm and some lip liner, and we're done. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a makeup enthusiast, so it may not look the best, but this is what I have. This is what I'm gonna go out with my birthday in. I was going for glam, but it didn't turn out that glam, but that's okay. We're just gonna be out in the daytime anyways. So now that the makeup's done, I'm going to go and curl my hair, and then I'll take you guys with me to go collect free birthday goodies. For my hair, I'm just gonna be using this curling iron, about an inch or 1 1/4 inch curling iron, and I'm just going to curl my hair with this. But before we do that, I'm going to add some dry shampoo, some volumizing powder to the top of my head. Fluff that in. And I'm also going to be using this Chi Iron Guard to protect my hair from any damage or to prevent it from getting any more damage than it already is. So this is what my hair looks like after curling it. So I'm finally ready to go out. This is my look. I ended up changing up my eyelashes. The other ones just weren't working out for me. And then this is what I'm going to be wearing today. Just a tank top, jeans, and a belt. And yeah, now that I'm ready, let's go collect my birthday gifts. So we're at our first location. We're gonna go to Ulta Beauty for our first gift. And not only am I gonna pick up the gift, I also have to pick up an order from Ulta. So let's go. We got the goods. I wanted to film in there, but I needed my phone to pull up the rewards.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So I just got the Starbucks. I got the venti honey citrus mint tea, and I also got myself a scone because it's my birthday and I can get myself a scone. Okay, now it's time to head to our last location. We're gonna go to Nothing Bundt Cake and get myself a free buntlet. Hi, so I am back from collecting my free birthday goodies. I never shared what I got from Ulta. They gave me this little Lancome set. It comes with the Lash Idol mascara and an Idol perfume sample. And not only that, Ulta also gives you a $10 off coupon that you can use on any purchase at their store. And you also saw I went and got my Starbucks drink. On your birthday, Starbucks usually gives out a free drink of your choice. You can get anything you want. I just opted for the Venti Honey Citrus Mint Tea, as I said in the earlier. And I also got my Nothing Bundt Cake. You just need to sign up for your email for that. And that's all I got today. But if you wanted to, there are many other places that you can also get free stuff on your birthday. The other makeup beauty giant would be Sephora. They also give you a free gift on your birthday. I just didn't want to go to too many places because of the quarantine and lockdown situation. So, and another place that would give you free makeup other than Ulta and Sephora is Smashbox. But again, you have to make sure you're signed up for their program. Make sure you sign up for all of this stuff before your birthday because usually they won't give it to you if you sign up on the day of. So moving on from the makeup, we're gonna go into dessert. As you saw, I went to Nothing Bundt Cake. You get a free buntlet on your birthday. They just send you an email, and that's what I showed to get my free buntlet. Also, Sprinkles cupcakes, if you have one of those around you, if you sign up for their rewards program, you can also get a free cupcake on your birthday. And if you're craving ice cream, you can also sign up for the Baskin-Robbins rewards program. And with that, I think you get a free scoop of ice cream. My sister got that on her birthday, so that's how I know about that one. And moving on from desserts, we'll go into our drinks. So I already mentioned Starbucks, but Dunkin' Donuts is another place that would offer you a free drink on your birthday. And if you're around a Tasty, they will also give you a $5 off coupon, which is pretty much equals to a free drink. And lastly, I quickly want to move on to entertainment. I know not a lot of places are open, but you can get a free rental from Redbox on your birthday, as well as Regal movie theaters. So I think they'll give you a free popcorn, a small popcorn or a small drink on your birthday. I can't remember which one. I do remember getting it last year, but with all of the situation going on, they're not open anyways. But if they ever do, you can put that on your list, as well as Dave & Buster's. I think they will give you a $10 play credit on your birthday. I know these two options aren't applicable right now, but if everything goes back to normal, we can collect those next year. Alright, so those are just a couple of options that you guys can go get on your birthdays. Of course, if you live somewhere where there's some local places, make sure you check them out because not all of these places will apply to you, and maybe you have some other places that are not near me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some useful information from it, and I hope you guys collect lots of free stuff on your birthday as well. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!